What's going on, YouTube? I'm back. As you can see, that's a box. That's a big old box. I don't know why it's a big old box, but it's a big old box. If you watched my last video, you would have saw I told you guys I was getting another box in. As you can tell, heat on the feet. I'm gonna use that as a thumbnail right there. But yeah, heat on the feet. Like I said, I got an unboxing right here. Send me a big old box. Let's go ahead and get into this. Let's get into it. Cut that bit open, you know what I'm saying? Another unboxing from Jibbo. Ooh, these joints iced out. They sent the box a little upside down, so I'm gonna have to rearrange it. I don't want y'all to see them yet. I want y'all to see that box though. Let me see what it looking like. See what it looking like. Alright, y'all can probably already tell by the box you a true sneakerhead what type of genre of shoes he's gonna be. Go ahead and read this little side tag. Okay. Air Jordan 5s. Alright, you see the box. You see it. You see it, baby. You see it. By the way, I got these guys for a steal. A buttery smooth steal. Ooh. Look at them. Ooh. Look, brand new. Barely worn. Oh. Buttery smooth. Only complaint I do gotta say, unless they got it in the other shoe, only complaint I would have to say is they don't have the lace locks. It's the only thing that hurts me, you know. So I am a fan of my lace locks. Gotta keep it to the OG, to the OG, to the OG of the OGs. It's the only complaint I'm gonna have to say right now. Unless they have it in this shoe, which look at that. They gave it to me saran wrapped. As you can see by that price tag, $135. Then it came out to like $150 shipped. But like I said, boy, iced out. Yes, they are creamy, my guys. Yes, they are creamy. But yeah, probably I don't know yet. Probably drop the on foot of these, or not on foot, but like I don't know if I'm gonna give y'all an in-depth review because they've been out for a while. I just want to show y'all the unboxing or whatever. But God, those things are crazy. These are really crazy, good quality. You know what I'm saying, for a good price. Got a little creasing on toe. Still, that's iced out, boy. Whew. Icy, I'm so icy. Yeah, but I might give y'all the on foot, but like I said, I'm just starting back up, so I might not get to you. Let me show y'all this card though. That's where I got them from. They do steals on all sizes. You just gotta catch them at the right time. Good stuff right here. Check them out. I'll probably link their stuff down in the description. Go ahead, check them out. Icy joints. Icy. Oh, icy joints. Hey. 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 Alright, YouTube. I'm out of here, man. I'll get back at y'all with another video soon.